Welcome to the Architecture Woodshop and Digital Fabrication Lab on the Marietta campus of Kennesaw State University. This video is about drill bits. We will cover different types of drill bits and how to select the best drill bit type for the material and hole you want to drill. At the end of this video, you will know about several different types of drill bits and which bit is best for what. A drill bit is simply a tool that can be used to make a hole in material. Some bits are designed to evacuate the chips out of the hole while drilling, while others are not. The shop has drill bits that can be used to drill holes in the following materials: wood and wood-like products, plastics, and softer metals. If you have questions about the material you want to drill and which type of bit to use for that material, please ask a staff person first. Before we investigate drill bits further, let's quickly review the general shop rules and safety rules. The general shop rules are the following. No food or drink is allowed in the shop. No tobacco use is allowed. After all, the campus is tobacco-free. Proper shop attire is that closed-toed shoes are required, or you'll be invited to wear the shoes of shame and add your autographed photo to our gallery. Also, no loose hair or clothing is allowed. Roll up your sleeves, remove jewelry, tie back or tuck in ties and scarves. Safety glasses are required at all times while in the shop. No music is allowed in the shop outside the laser room. You need to be able to maintain focus and be accessible to direction from the staff. And you need to obey direction from the shop staff when it's given. Now we're ready to take a closer look at drill bits. It is important to select the type of drill bit that is best suited for the drilling task you want to do. Using the wrong type of drill bit could produce poor results, damage your material, or even cause injury. Twist drill bits are suitable for drilling holes in wood, plastic, or soft metal. If you need to drill metal, see a shop staff person first. Looking at the point of a twist drill bit from the side, it comes to a gentle point similar to a shallow cone. Using a dimple or starter hole made with an awl or punch is recommended when using a twist drill bit. This helps the bit start without skating away from the desired position. Twist drill bits can be used in either the drill press or in hand drills. Brad point drill bits were designed specifically as an improvement on the twist drill for drilling in wood. Looking at the cutting end of a brad point bit, note that there is a pointed spur in the middle of the bit. The spur of the brad point bit helps to eliminate bit skating across slick material that would occur with a twist drill bit. In addition, the ends of the cutting edges are shaped so that their lip cuts the outside edge of the hole before the inside is cut. This produces a much cleaner shearing of wood fibers. Brad point bits can be used to carefully drill holes in soft plastic. However, the lip of the cutting edge makes for an aggressive cutting action that makes these bits dangerous in harder plastic and metals. Press the bit into the material slowly so that the cutting lips do not have the opportunity to dig in too deeply. Brad point bits are much too aggressive for use with metal, and attempting to use them in metal could damage the bit or be very dangerous. Brad point bits can be used in either the drill press or in hand drills. Forstner drill bits are bits that are designed to drill precise, smooth, flat-bottom holes in wood at any angle to the wood grain. The geometry of the Forstner bit starts with a center point that guides the bit through the cut. A cylindrical cutter then shears the material around the outside of the hole and also helps guide the bit into the material more precisely. Larger Forstner bits may have a sawtooth-shaped cylindrical cutter, which adds some additional cutting edges. Since Forstner bits don't have any mechanism to remove the chips from the hole while drilling, they must be removed from the hole frequently to avoid overheating or seizing the bit in the hole. Because of the large amount of force required to push a Forstner bit into the material, they are not practical as a hand drill tool, and they are used only in the drill press, not in a hand drill. Forstner bits are one of the safest and most reliable bits to use when drilling holes that are not 90 degrees. Care should be taken to start the hole slowly, since the center point will probably not be in contact with the surface of the material when you start drilling. Forstner bits should be used in wood or wood-like materials only, not in plastic or metal. Spade bits are used for rough boring in soft wood. Spade bits are flat with a centering point, and they often have two cutters on the outside edge. Spade bits tend to cause significant splintering when they emerge from the workpiece while drilling a through hole. In order to reduce the splintering, it is best to drill the first side until the centering point emerges, then finish drilling the hole from the other side. An alternate method is to use a sacrificial backing block. Align it so as to not drill over the same spot twice. Spade bits can be used in either the drill press or in hand drills. A countersink bit is used to drill a hole with a conical shaped top in order to allow the head of a bolt or screw to sit flush with or below the surface of the surrounding material. The countersink bits that we have in the shop either drill the countersink by itself, separate from the drilling of the hole for the fastener, or drill both the hole for the fastener and the countersink as part of a single drilling process. Countersink bits can be used in either the drill press or in hand drills. Technically, hole saws are not really drill bits, but they are used to drill in a drill or a drill press to make holes just like a drill bit is used, so we'll include them in this video. Hole saws have a short open cylinder with saw teeth on the open edge. There's a twist-style drill bit down the middle of the hole saw that helps to locate the saw and keep it centered during cutting. Hole saws remove material only from the edge of the hole, cutting out an intact disc of material, unlike mini drills which remove all material in the interior of the hole. Hole saws are typically used for making relatively large holes in thin wood and other materials. Hole saws can be used in either the drill press or in hand drills. If you think that a hole saw is what you need to use, consult with the shop staff. We do not have all possible sizes of hole saws, and you may need to purchase the size you need. Also, hole saws require assembly, and we'd like to make sure that you have the hole saw assembled correctly before you use it. Our bit inventory provides a lot of hole drilling options for you. If you need help choosing an appropriate drill bit, or you could use help with securing your material or setting up a jig, don't hesitate to contact a staff person. Significant safety concerns when using drill bits are the following. You must maintain control of the material you're drilling at all times. You should not let your fingers get too close to the drill bit when you're drilling. Maintain at least a 2-inch space from the bit. Be sure that you do not have any loose clothing or jewelry on that might get caught in the bit. Drill bits are designed to drill straight into material. Be sure the pressure you apply is straight through the drill bit into the hole you're drilling. Pressure to one side will probably cause the bit to break, which could cause injury. You should not force a drill bit into the material. Let the drill bit do the work. Clear the wood chips as you drill. Excessive bit speed, pressure, or failure to secure the material could result in the drill pulling the piece out of your hand and either throwing it or rotating it like a high-speed cutter. These are very dangerous situations. Whichever drills or drill bits you use, leave your work area clean. Vacuum your work area and any equipment used, then return all the bits and equipment used to the appropriate storage areas for the next user. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you come to visit us in the shop sometime soon.